Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the exact Google font family and weights you need. Open the Google Fonts interface and select only the styles you will use so you avoid excess requests. Once done, copy the provided at import snippet or the link href. You will use the font family name from that snippet in CSS. Make sure to prefer variable or specific weights for performance. Now place the import near the top of your main stylus sheet, or include the link in your HTML head before you now integrate the font into your stylus sheet. If you used at import, keep it at the very top of the CSS file. If you used link, ensure it appears before your stylus sheet link in the head so the font loads first. In CSS, set root or body font family, your font, System UI, Apple System, sans serif, and specify font weight for headings and body text. This ensures consistent rendering and lets the browser pick the correct files. Once applied, save and refresh to confirm visual change. You finish by verifying the font loads and looks right. Inspect the Network tab to confirm. WAF2 or WAF files load with 200 status. If not, check the link or at import snippet for typos. Make sure the font family string in CSS exactly matches the Google Fonts name and that requested weights were included during selection. If text falls back to system fonts, clear cache, disable blockers, and rebuild. One quick tip: mismatched weight names often cause silent failures, so reselect weights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.